there, Larry Stein with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service with you today, and we're at Spinach Farms near LaPrairie, Texas. The new home, the new spinach capital of Texas. Used to be Crystal City, but today it's LaPrairie, Texas. So you see we're at Welcome to Popeye's Garden, and here's the statue of Popeye over here. Popeye made the city of Crystal City famous for all the spinach that was grown in the Zavala and Uvalde County areas. So today we're talking harvesting spinach, so we'll take a sneak peek into Popeye's garden today. But realize Popeye used to be one of those cartoon characters on TV. Now I got to watch it as a kid. You might have to ask your mom and dad about that old series, but it was pretty entertaining. Because when old Popeye got in trouble, here's old Popeye on the can, obviously, he would reach for a can of spinach and eat it, and then he was superhero. So be sure to eat your spinach. Now, I'm not too fond of this canned stuff. I mean, it can kind of smell good in the plant, and oh my, when you try to eat it, I'm not a big fan. But fresh, oh my God, fresh on the other hand is something to behold. So if you've never had fresh spinach from the garden, it's something that you really need to try. Have your mom or dad buy you some. This is the old way that we used to harvest spinach in bushel baskets. You see the old bushel basket here? And they would actually cut the whole plant, fill up the basket, stuff the spinach in, and then put ice on top and put the lid on. Today we've had to go to mechanical harvesting just because of labor and other issues. And so this spinach right here came out of the same field as this, but this was mechanically harvested. So we have individual leaves, and this has been run through a sorter, graded, and it's been put in an RPC. And this will be sent to a repacker, and they will put it in bags that you will find in your local grocery store. So, harvesting spinach, it's a high-quality leafy green vegetable, very nutritious, more so than spinach, more so than lettuce. So I would encourage you to try some today. So this has been Larry Stein, Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service in Popeye's Garden.